to resolve this also into partial fraction. 2x plus 5 divided by x squared minus 5x plus 6. So now one thing you need to understand, the only trick to this equation is just the denominator. What you have as the denominator is what we call quadratic expression. This x squared minus 5x plus 6. This is a quadratic expression. Once I introduce equality sign that is equal to 0, that makes a quadratic equation. But that's not what we're given. We are given an expression. So we have to factorize this in order to know what the factors are supposed to be. Now to factorize this, you need to know what your sum is and what your product is, because your factors are dependent on your product and your sum. Now sum here simply means the middle number. That is your sum, which is minus 5x. Whereas your product is the first multiplied by the last. That is 6 times x squared gives you 6x squared. So we need to find the factors. What are the factors? The factors are, how do you get your factors? Like I say, sum means summation. Short form of summation is sum. And sum means addition. So you ask yourself, what are the two numbers that when you add them up, that is addition. When you add them up, will give you minus 5x. And that same two number, when you multiply them together, will give you 6x squared. This is where you need to rack your brain. You task your brain. Okay? So, now looking at this, I found out that if I say minus 2x plus minus 3x, this is minus 2x plus minus 3x. Plus times minus will give me minus, that minus 2x minus 3x will give me minus 5x. And now, minus 2x times minus 3x will give me plus 6x squared. That is 6x squared. So which means that my factors are minus 2x and minus 3x. Minus 2x and minus 3x. That is what I'm going to have. Minus 2x and minus 3x. So that being the case, mind you, this thing is as good as saying minus 2x plus minus 3x will give me minus 5x, which means that this whole stuff is equals to minus 5x. Instead of me writing this, I was going to substitute this for minus 5x by saying x squared minus 5x. Instead of 5x now, is this thing I'm going to have. That is minus 2x and minus 3x. Then I'll now write the last one, plus 6. I'll bracket them. Okay. So from here, I'll ask myself, what and what is common here? What can I find here and find here? It is x. I bring it out. Now, x divide x squared to give me x. X divide minus 2x will give me minus 2. I come here, ask myself, what and what is common here? That is minus 3. So I have minus 3 into minus 3 divided x will give me x. Sorry, minus 3 divided by minus 3x. Minus 3 will cancel minus 3 and we're left with x. Coming here, we'll have 6 divided by minus 3. We find out that 3 here 1, 3 here 2. I'm left with minus here, so that is minus 2. So I have minus 2. I remember when I dealt with quadratic equation, I told you that when you factorize, what you have inside the two brackets must be the same.
Common, yeah.
If it is not the same, you are wrong. That's what it means. So we can see that they are the same. So I will pick one. That is x minus 2x. Then I will not pick the ones that are outside, which is x and minus 3. I have x minus 3. So these are my factors. These are the factors I'm looking for. Factors. These are the factors. Hence the factors I'm looking for. So I'll now go back now to this question by putting in this. What I'm supposed to have is what? X minus 2 and x minus 3. So that is what I'm meant to have there. So following this, I have 2x plus 5 all over x squared minus 5x plus 6. Sorry, I repeated it. X squared minus 5x plus 6 is this already.
Yeah.
So that gives us x minus 2 into x minus 3. So now, resolving it into partial fraction, we're definitely going to have this equals to, that is a over the first factor, which is x minus 2, then plus b over x minus 3. This is what we're going to have. Okay. So by virtue of this, you're already resolving it, deducing the rational expression. So from here I have 2x plus 5 over x minus 2 into x minus 3, giving me what class? I'll find the LCM of this. This, which is what? This times this. X minus 2 into what? X minus 3. Okay? This divide this. This one will cancel this. We are left with this. So it becomes this one times a. That is a into x minus 3. Now what do we have here? Plus. Then this one divide this. This will cancel this. We are left with this. This one times b. Right? B into x minus 2. That is what we're gonna have. Okay. So by virtue of this, we find out that what we have here is the same thing as what we have here. So this one will cancel this. And now left with 2x plus 5 is equal to a into x minus 3. Then plus b into x minus 2. So for us to find the first letter, we say to find a. To find what? Letter a, that's a, we are going to eliminate b. To eliminate b now, you look at the factor that is attached to b. What is the factor that is attached to b? S minus 2. So for us to make it 0, since I'm having minus 2 here, I will now say let s be what? 2. So that 2 minus 2 will give me what? 0. You say let s be 2. 2, s be 2. 2 minus 2 will give me 0. And I say putting x equals to 2. And I come here now, which means that any place I see x, I'll substitute it with what? 2. I'll substitute for 2. 2x. This is 2x. Instead of me writing 2x, I'll now write 2. Then plus 5 is equals to a into 2 minus 3. Then plus b into 2 minus 2. Close the bracket. Now 2 times 2 is what?
4 plus 5.
Now 4 plus 5
Sorry.
is equals to a into 2 minus 3 will give you minus 1 plus b into 0. That is 2 minus 2 is 0. So 4 plus 5 gives me 9 is equals to minus 1 times a will give me minus a. Then b times 0 is what? 0. So at the end of the day I have 9 is equals to minus a plus 0 gives me minus a. I can interchange this by saying minus a is equals to 9, which means that what? We're having a minus a giving us 9. We divide both sides by minus 1 by minus 1. Minus 1 cancel this. A is equal to 9 over minus 1, which is minus 9. So that is that. Now to find b, we will go back to this. To find b, we are going to eliminate a. What is attached to a? What is attached to a is s minus 3. So which means that I will say let my s be what? 3. So that 3 minus 3 will give me 0. So I'm going to say putting x equals to 3. I will now have 2s plus 5 becomes 2 into 3 plus 5 is equals to a into 3 minus 3. Then plus b into 3 minus 2. So 2 times 3 gives me 6. plus 5 is equals to a into 0 plus b into 3 minus 2 gives me 1. Sorry, 1. 3 minus 2 gives me 1. So I have 6 plus 5. What is that? 11 is equals a times 0 is 0 plus b. That is b times 1 is b. So at the end of the day, we have that 11 is equals to b. Therefore, we now say recall that 2x plus 5 all over x minus 2 into x minus 3 gives us a over x minus 2 then plus b over x minus 3. It's as simple as that. So I will record that we find out that 2x plus 5 all over x minus 2 x minus 3 is equal to a. What did we get as our a? From what we saw, our a is minus 9. So we have minus 9 over x minus 2. Then plus b. What do we get our b? Our b is 11. That is 11 over x minus 3. That is the answer. Like as I used to tell us, it's not good for negative to come before positive. So you rearrange. In rearranging, we have 11 over x minus 3, then minus 9 over x minus 2 as the answer. So here is the answer. If you still want to check your results, you can apply what I did the other time. To show that this thing is equal to this, we can still check using that method. Okay, let's still check it out if you wish. This is I have 5x squared minus 6x. Confirm if our answer is wrong or right. If you are correct, actually, that's what we call checking your result. Check your answer. So we check our answer. We have 11 all over x minus 3, then minus 9 over x minus 2 is equals to. So once you check whether this thing we got is actually equal to this, so we'll find the LCM of this and this, right? The LCM is actually the product of this and this, that is this times this, give us x minus 3 into what? X minus 2. Okay? Now, this one divide this we cancel this, giving us this. So it becomes x minus 2 times 11. Then what do we have here? Minus. So this divide this one will cancel this, we are left with this. So it becomes this one times 9. That is 9 into x minus 3. Very simple. So at the end of the day, we have 11 times x, 11x. 11 times minus 2 give us minus 22. Okay? Then we have this minus 9 times x give us minus 9x. Okay? Minus 9 times minus 3 will give us plus 27. Then all over x minus 3 into x minus 2. Isn't it? Yeah. So we have 11x minus 9x. What will it give us? 11x minus 9x. That is 2x. So we are left with 2x. This is 11x minus 9x. That is 2x. Then we have minus 22 plus 27. Same thing as saying 27 minus 22. What is that? 5. So we have 5 all over x minus 3 into x minus 2. Hence proved. Is correct. Hence what? Proved.